Hey guys, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. I'm Chris Harding, and today we're standing on a brand new Harris Solstice 240. So, new model for us this year is the single lounger dual helm setup. So we've got two really nice long couches at the front. Great storage underneath all of them. See, Harris does a great job with their storage. Drain troughs here to help get any water that goes down in there and filter it out the back of the furniture. Some really nice flip down armrests on both sides. One thing that Harris does do really well is their drop down hinges. So it's cool, the hinges drop down, making it easier to get in and out of the storage versus, when they come up and they're, way high off the furniture, making it difficult to get down in there. This boat is a dual helm configuration, so we've got two captain's chairs, two really nice luxury captain's chairs. This one is a recliner, so the feet pop out, you can kick your feet up and really relax and enjoy your day on the water. As we make our way back, the single lounger portion of it, so you've got a nice bench seat here. This does flip forward to give you a really nice lounger in the back. Great place to sit while you're running across the water. Harris puts a nice stainless steel railing all the way around so that you can ride back here, watch your friends or your kids or your spouse tubing or skiing or wakeboarding, whatever they are doing. Harris does a nice stainless steel ski tow bar. Really nice bracing in the front of it to keep stuff from falling down inside that motor well. Brand new Mercury V6 on the back of this. This thing is strong, it's tough, lots of torque and lots of power. Nice swim step, so the swim step's cool. It'll flip down into the water. Gives you a great place to sit, great way to get in and out of the boat. If you have large dogs, makes it easier for them to get in and out of the boat. You still have a really nice stainless steel 4-step ladder. It goes deep down into the water. Nice wide handles to be able to pull yourself up, makes it easy to get in and out of the boat. This boat is set up with a dual bimini, so we've got two bimini tops so you can have complete coverage across the whole boat. As we make our way to the dash, Harris does a great job on all their boats, really making a nice clean dash. Really nice aluminum toggle switches, LED lit. The back panel is going to be lit, so at nighttime you're going to be able to see what switch you're flipping. Polk Bluetooth stereo. This does have a Polk audio upgrade, so with the subwoofer, and then a SIM-rad. We put a SIM-rad in all of our dashes. It's got chart plotter, GPS, fish finder, depth finder. It's got everything that you need inside that unit. Boat is digital throttle and shift, so along with the digital throttle and shift, we option it with an active trim system. Active trim will sit there and trim the motor up and down for you, so as you're going in and out of turns, it'll trim down, it'll trim back up for you, making it super easy to enjoy that day on the water. Hey guys, thanks for joining me today on this Harris 240 Solstice. Again, I'm Chris Harding with MarineMax Dallas. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 972-436-9979, or stop by the showroom. Let us walk you through this boat or any of the other pontoons and tri-toons that we have in stock. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.